Struggling with weekly planning? Here are 3 ADHD friendly tips to get you organized. Number one, plan your workflow, not a rigid routine. Instead of thinking in terms of a strict routine like a robot, think about how do you want your day to flow. Make time to update and review your plan regularly and be okay with things not being perfect because what is? Number two, use time blocking. Time blocking isn't about finishing tasks, it's about starting them. Create blocks of time for each task, but don't stress if your plans change. Time blocks are just placeholders. It's okay to adjust your schedule if something else comes up, like taking a break for a walk or maybe meeting up with a friend. Number three, be flexible. Consistency is great, but don't worry if you have days that are less structured. It's okay with being inconsistent. Be okay with being inconsistently consistent because you are still making progress.